He's
Hi,
just learned
handsome.
how to fight with the other male a couple of weeks ago. The male started teaching him how to fight, so he's doing his horn banging. Do not do it to him. Little grump. I heard you grumping and burping there. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, that's not good for your head. Not a good thing to do in your
Hi,
head.
cutie. Hi, handsome. Hi. Oh. Giraffe slobber.
He's getting up close.
He keeps grabbing my shirt. Oh, yep. Oh, you're going to lick my lens? Oh, I'll get a picture of that.
Told you you were going to get close to giraffe.
Yeah, for sure. Do you guys irrigate the pastures out here?
We do irrigate part of one pasture, but we let it go dry in the summer.
Okay. You are adorable.
Okay, Dozier, we'll leave you, good boy.